Hey guys, so I had a client that wanted to see this Beach and Yacht Club in Perdido Key unit today. It's actually it's 2 units and they've been connected. So it's been turned into a 4.5, but it was I think a 3 and a 2. So it's got 1,328 square feet. I'm gonna flip the camera around and just let you see this. It's unit 304 and 404B at Beach and Yacht Club at Perdido. So let's see. This is your view as you walk in the front door of 403B. And it kind of wraps around. This area over here used to be a master bedroom. Look at these views. Amazing. So this is just the first unit. Here's one bedroom. And then this is where the 2 units connect. So you come through here and it's a whole different, like you got a second kitchen. Your dining area. More view. Look at that. You have bedroom and bathroom. You've got bedroom here. Another bedroom here, and these bedrooms have views of Ole River. So pretty. The cool things about Beach and Yacht Club is you actually have a covered parking garage. There's one assigned per unit, so this unit would have 2. There's also outside storage closets for each unit. And across the way over here you can see those tennis courts. There are boat slips. And there's actually boat storage, boat parking here at Beach and Yacht Club. View from one of the balconies. There's 2 balconies. So this is actually the interior unit. Look far enough around. You'll see the balcony over here is also part of this unit.